Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's Art Classes. Today we are going to draw and paint one Ganesh Ji. So let's start.
We will take 000 number brush and let's draw the outline of Ganesh Ji. This is the teeth. You know na, Ganesh Ji's one teeth was broken and one teeth was full. So here we can see the one teeth. Then we'll do the double line here. Then ear. Instead of drawing full ear, we are drawing symbolically 3 lines and then we will fill color. Now this is the face part coming and here is the hand. One hand just giving blessings position. Now Ganesh Ji is sitting. Here is Ganesh Ji's feet. Then Ganesh Ji's other hand is here holding a laddu. We can show some design here. Here I am showing some bangles for Ganesh Ji. This is like a frame. Now we'll start filling the colors and rest of the work we'll do after filling the colors. So by the time this whole portion gets dry, I'm filling red color here. Now I'm going to use a mixture of green and blue color in remaining area. We'll have to give a second coat of paint because first coat will have lines, etc. I'm taking Persian blue color. You can change the colors according to your wish. Now I'm taking light blue color. I have this lemon yellow color which I am going to fill in Ganesh Ji's face. We can leave it white also. I have made grey color. It was white and I added 2-3 drops of black in it. So this is grey. Now we need pure white, titanium white. In bangle, I'm going to use dark orange. And then on the top of dark orange, we will use gold. I'm making dots. Now I'm going to make tilak. On the top of tilak also, we are going to use gold color. Whichever color you will give as a base color, gold will shine like that. If you will put yellow, gold will shine like yellowish gold. I have drawn a swastik here. Nails. This is the forehead of Ganesh Ji. I'm taking black color now.
I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste.